Hello beautiful people, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video I have decided to explain you some benefits about the aloe vera gel. Yes, how it is beneficial for your hair, for your skin and many more. But before that, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. So yeah, without any further ado, let's go.
So currently I am using this Patanjali Aloe Vera gel, as aloe vera gel contains antioxidants, enzymes, vitamin A and C, and it is highly anti-inflammatory. It can help treat burns, acne and dry skin. Aloe vera gel has been used for centuries to moisturize, heal and protect the skin, as it contains 18 amino acids that works together. So you can use it as an under eye cream also. Aloe vera is often used under the eyes as a treatment for dryness and wrinkles. So here I'm just taking a little bit on my fingers and will rub it around my eyes. And it contains essential vitamins and minerals that helps to fight off free radicals that may cause wrinkling. It also helps to remove any dark circles under your eyes. So you can repeat this step for at least 2 to 3 times in a week and you'll see a major difference. So next is you can mix it with any kind of face mask. So here I am taking a clean bowl and adding some aloe vera gel to it. You can add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and here I am mixing it with my sandal face pack. Then I'm adding few drops of gulab gel to it, and it is easily available in any kind of supermarkets or stores, or you can order it online. So here I have taken that mask and applying it with my flat brush. You can also use your fingers to apply any kind of face mask. And leave this mask for about 10 to 15 minutes till it becomes dry. And then wash it with cold water. After washing your face, just pat dry with a clean towel, and you can repeat this step for at least 2 to 3 times in a week and you will see a major difference. Next, you can use aloe vera gel as a primer. Yes, you can safely use aloe vera gel as a natural makeup primer and will also feel happy about it as it's pocket friendly and really effective. Apply it just as your regular makeup primers. It is little bit tacky, but it will hold on to your foundation and makeup really well. You can use aloe vera gel as a leave-on face mask, as it's the ultimate DIY face mask, both potent enough to target whatever skin issue you have. It can be your irritated, discolored or sun damage. It will regenerate your skin from inside. You can leave this mask and wait for like 10 to 15 minutes before washing. Or you can leave this mask overnight and you will see a major difference when you'll wake up in the morning. Next, you can use aloe vera as a hair serum, and it is quite budget friendly. Aloe vera makes a great hair serum ingredient. It is especially great when used in hair serum because it comes with a moisturizing properties. Aloe vera can help prevent dryness without making the scalp too oily or greasy. It prevents brittle hair and breakage. It can also be used directly on the scalp to attain relief from the symptoms of dandruff. And yes, it stimulates hair growth also. Next, you can mix aloe vera gel with any kind of DIY hair mask. So here I've taken a clean bowl and adding 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel to it. Next, I'm going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, as it's a natural way to help your hair grow longer, thicker and faster. The vitamins and essential fatty acids naturally found in coconut oil nourish the scalp and remove sebum buildup from hair follicles. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of yogurt, as it is full of protein that offers nourishment which the hair needs for proper growth and health. So just leave this mask for at least 20 to 30 minutes before washing your hair and you will see the result. Last but not the least, you can use aloe vera gel to treat any kind of acne and pimples. Here you can see I have developed pimples recently. So the research shows that aloe vera has certain characteristics that is effective in fighting the acne, as it is antibacterial, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. You can use aloe vera gel instead of a traditional cleanser to prevent the acne breakouts. This works because the antibacterial agents in the aloe vera remove bacteria from the skin, reducing the risk of spots developing.
So yeah guys, that's all for today, and trust me, this aloe vera gel is a miracle. It does magic to your hair, to your skin, whether you're dealing with any kind of acne, pimples, scar, or you have dry, weak or frizzy hair. Do follow these steps for at least 15 days to 1 month for the best results. And you can also use aloe vera gel straight from the plant. That is the best option. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you in my next video.